want to welcome you to a quick video and training on the Modular Mate system. So hopefully you have been inspired to actually organize your pantry and or store things fresher longer. If you're buying more in bulk in larger bulk stores, you're going to find your food needing more containers. Things will stay fresher longer, keep critters out. The tasting is amazing. Obviously you preserve the taste and it lasts double the lifetime. If you keep it in the cardboard, you invite in, as the weather changes, critters to eat through your food and contaminate. So I want to help you with actually storing your food in a safe environment. Putting things right into the Modular Mates from the grocery store keeps the food fresher longer, getting rid of the wrappers, the cardboard, the plastic. A lot of times the cardboard gets critters inside of it, and when the heat changes and the weather changes, you'll find the moisture, humidity actually evolve, and you'll find some more moths and critters coming into your home. So the Modular Mate system actually is fabulous, and it works together nicely. Behind me I kind of put on display is my current modular system set in my kitchen pantry. This is actually our third or fourth house, but this is the smallest house we've ever had, so I've actually gone down in size with a smaller size pantry, and it still works. I do overstock in my extended pantry in the garage. So I want to show really quick the Modular Mate system. They come in different shapes. You have the round shape. In the round product line, the spaghetti dispenser is really popular. You have the square. You have what's called the super oval, a long oval, and then you have the regular oval. You also have the rectangle. So with those 5 different basic shapes, you have 5 different heights. So I have on display different heights. Let me show you first off. Here is a rectangle, number 1. On the bottom of the container, it will show a number. So if you forget and don't know, it's like 1 story or 1 step. This is a 1 height, so about 2.5 inches is a 1. Then we have a 2, a 3 height right here, and a 4 height. We do sell the ovals and the super ovals in a height of 5. So this would be a height of a 5 right here. The spaghetti dispenser also is sold, the round one is sold in the height of a 5. So you'll find that the modular system works fabulous as you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 height. So what I'm showcasing today is that our modular system is on special. A hostess can get 11-piece set in a special price point. We have a large Get It All set on the catalog or in the catalog, and you can buy them piece by piece. Between now and the end of this week, we have a special this week only with Tupperware's modular rectangle set and our oval set. So let me show you what comes in that. The rectangle 4, great for cake mixes. If you see behind me, I do cake mixes. I do bags and small boxes of like rice-a-roni. If you do the boxed mac and cheese, the kids' go-to meal sometimes. Anything you want to put bulk in here, flour, sugar, rice, whatever you have large amounts of. I choose, and you'll see behind me, I choose these actually on the slick windows in the front, and we have slick windows in the back. I choose to use a Sharpie pen, and I write in a large size font exactly what's in here, okay? And then a little bit of the bartender's keeper. You can use rubbing alcohol, or you can use baking soda paste, and it will remove the writing. So I do tag my containers with a Sharpie. It's your choice to do homemade labels or fun special labels. So in a rectangle 4, it's the tallest, one of our biggest size containers. It works great if you're buying food and vegetables, food and dry food storage, dried fruits and nuts. If you put those in the containers and you buy when you still have some, you always want to buy bigger containers. Message me for a chart as to how much they all hold. Rectangle 4. Rectangle 3, I do the flour in this one, I do my sugar in this rectangle 3. The rectangle 3 is also good for Krusty's pancake mix. If you have multiple flours, sugar, powdered sugar, brown sugar, based on how much you store and how much you bake. Snacks and chips. A large bulk store would sell chips and snacks in large quantities. This works great for that. A lot of your packaging nowadays, you're going to find, you probably noticed, they've gone down in size a little bit, and also they have mostly air inside that box or bag. It's a lot of air, and then it's the product. So rectangle 4, 3, A rectangle 2, your most common size container, packages, seasoning blends, little things that you put together and you buy in the store. Any of your, again, your baking items, your snack food items. You can put in here quite a few of the saltine crackers and mix the flavors in their individual bags. Then we have the rectangle 1 on top of the 4, and this is great for laying things down like Oreos, pretzel rods, pretzel sticks, smaller size bags and boxes. I buy the larger bag of brown sugar. Powdered sugar fits in here nicely as well. So it can be a complete baking center. This is actually half off this week only. Again, it's the rectangles. The 1 on top, the 2, the 3, and the 4 container making the height of a 5. So, and how the system works, I'll just kind of back up for a minute. A rectangle 4 with a 1 on top, like basic math, would be the height of a 5. Most average kitchens, though, are the height of a 4. So the 3 height plus a 1, rectangle 3, rectangle 1, gives you height of a 4. And then you would have 2 rectangle 2s to make a nice large starting set. This set here again is on special and it's half off. The seal colors, as you can probably see, is blue or black. You have a choice, either or in the full set. You can buy individually or in set. Again, hosts can get these on special price points and get the whole big large set in the catalog at half off. I'm going to show the other set that we have that's really popular, and this is the oval set. I'm showcasing it with mine with food in it on the bottom, but the rectangles, like the actual rectangles, you have the ovals, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. So like stepping stools or a ladder. This comes together. The average height of a pantry is the height of a 4, and with the oval family, they can go on top of the rectangles. There's a 4. There's a 3 and the 1. Then you have balancing. I'll put this down. Then you have the 2 and the 2. So you have, they fit really nicely. And if you have large, tall cabinets or adjustable cabinet shelves, that works great in that as well. So again, these lay across and stack on top of a rectangle. But I'm going to take them down with the 4. The 4 container is great for your box of chips, snack crackers, Triscuits, licorice works great in here. You also can buy the pour-all seal that allows you to pour out, so you have a small amount of grape nuts or cereal. It works fabulous. These are great for also whatever you would put into a rectangle 1 almost always will fit inside the 4 based on how much space and size you have left. So this is the 4. The 3, going down again, maybe you have cornmeal, cornstarch. The 2, most common sizes for a box of brown sugar. So a box of brown sugar will fit in this. It will not be a brick. It will be nice and fresh, smell moist, and sweet, and be nice to cook with. If you have it virtually in the airtight seal container, again, it traps in the moisture, keeps it fresher longer, and what you've paid for in the the dry food storage in the pantry is very expensive to replace the whole pantry. So keeping it in here organized, fresher, it stays fresher longer and also saves you money and taste, less waste. The 1, real common size, whether you're doing a snack to go or you have baking soda, baking powder, this works great for those. Homemade seasoning blends also work great for these. Walnuts, almonds, if you buy in larger quantities, I will lead you towards the rectangles, the 1 and the 2. But if you buy smaller amounts, I would recommend doing the smaller size oval set. This oval set actually is also a half off set right now this week only. You can buy the set, or you can buy individually. Again, the set is on sale this week. Message me. This is the Modular Mates in the black seal and the blue seal. You choose it all in one color. I've got it mixed together. Okay? So again, the Modular Mates stack nicely and neatly in the kitchen and the pantry. You can rearrange it, you can label it, change out what you put in it. Once you start on the system, you'll find you'll actually be getting more and more pieces, because as you stack it, it's like the adult Legos, it actually occupies a space. You have more space in there. I've got a lot of food behind me in my pantry, and this actual system can go from here, the kitchen, all the way to the actual bathroom to organize your actual bathroom items, necessities, to your drugs and medicines. I always recommend getting the rectangle 4s and Sharpie penning them and saying adult medicines. If you have children, you put the children's medicines. I've got one for first aid, one for herbal type things like lotions and Epsom salt, things like that when you have athletes to soak muscles. So I put those up high. I have 4 of those rectangle 4s just for that. So again, the sets on sale is the oval set and the rectangle set this week. The complete 11-piece set is during the month of May through August, the end of August. You can get the 11-piece set as a host gift for free. The actual complete set you see in front of you sort of here is the sets that are on sale. In the large catalog, we also have a complete Get It All set, which is a larger, great starting point. And as a host, you get it for half off. As a consultant, you can shop these at 25% off on top of the sale price. So I just wanted to showcase what's going on. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing Mickey, I want to share that we have an incentive program as leaders, and anybody can earn trips to Disney World or Hawaii and earn extra packages and special deals for our office supplies and printer and whatnot. So Tupperware offers some great programs for our household and our lifestyle, but we have a great income opportunity, and my goal this year and next is earning a Disney World trip. So I'm supporting the Mickey trip and having faith and believing that I'm going to get my family together. I've got a large family and grandkids, so I want to encourage you to have fun with this. Take a look, message me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.